I know we all bought this cheese grater recently, we'll get rid of it. This one right here puts all the others to shame. First of all, when you suction it to the cabinet, it's not going anywhere. I about tore down my kitchen island and it didn't move. And also look at the size of the barrel on this one. It's almost twice the size. The old one actually fits inside of it. And my favorite part is it comes with this little caddy with all these different blade attachments. You can julienne, you can slice, you can wavy slice, and they're so easy to change out. You can just pop them right off and right back on, which makes this so much easier to clean than the other one. The handle on this one actually screws on. The old one I had, the handle would pop off all the time. Also, it's taller, so you can fit a whole bowl under here instead of a plate. Just look at how finely it julienne these carrots. This is gonna be so perfect for when I do homemade carrot cake. Also, the top compartment where you feed the vegetables in is bigger, and so I can do like a whole red potato in here at once. And look at this, it makes the perfect little potato chips. I'm gonna be doing homemade chips all the time. And the handle is so smooth and easy to turn, it makes it effortless. It saves more time too with that top compartment being bigger. I'm putting a whole pepper in here at once. I need some peppers and onions for a recipe later tonight, so I just figured I'd show you this. And look how finely these are sliced. These are perfect. Here's another whole pepper going in. And as far as onions, I'm probably gonna use this every time like we grill burgers or something, because I can never get an onion sliced thinly like I like. I can just never do it. These are perfect. And we've got to shred some cheese, so I can show you that part. Do not buy the shredded cheese at the grocery store. It's absolutely disgusting. There's no better way to do it than this. And like I said, I would have had to cut that block of cheese in half on the old one, but the whole thing fits in here. And look how nothing's clogging up the barrel. Everything comes out. When you want to disassemble it, just push this little button and it slides off. So easy to clean, like I said. And this is actually on a flash sale right now for over half off. So go grab it at the link below or in my showcase.